Istanbul, a walking tour through history, culture, and spice. Ever dreamt of a city where East meets West, where ancient history whispers from every corner and the aroma of exotic spices fills the air? Then join us as we embark on an unforgettable walking tour through the heart of Istanbul. Prepare to be amazed as we step into the Grand Bazaar, one of the oldest and largest covered markets in the world. Imagine a vibrant maze of bustling alleyways, overflowing with treasures from every corner of Turkey. This isn't just a market, it's a sensory explosion. The Grand Bazaar is a shopper's paradise, a place where you can lose yourself in a world of vibrant colors, exotic scents, and the lively chatter of merchants. Don't be shy, bartering is part of the experience. Engage with the vendors, haggle for the best price, and discover unique treasures you won't find anywhere else. Keep an eye out for exquisite Turkish carpets, shimmering jewelry, and beautifully crafted ceramics. Each piece tells a story, reflecting the rich artistic heritage of Turkey. And of course, no visit to the Grand Bazaar is complete without sampling some Turkish delight and strong Turkish coffee. The sweet, chewy delight and the rich, aromatic coffee are the perfect fuel for your shopping adventure. Let's start our journey at the Nuri Osmaniye Gate, a grand entrance that sets the stage for the wonders within. From there, we'll weave our way through the jewelry section, sparkling with gold and gemstones, before getting lost in the mesmerizing world of Turkish carpets. Prepare to be awestruck as we approach the Hagia Sophia, a true masterpiece of Byzantine architecture. Its imposing silhouette dominates the Istanbul skyline, a testament to centuries of history. The Hagia Sophia has served as a church, a mosque, and now a museum, each chapter adding to its rich and complex story. Its walls have witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the clash of cultures, and the enduring power of faith. Step inside and gaze up at the colossal dome, a marvel of engineering that seems to defy gravity. Sunlight streams through the windows, illuminating the intricate mosaics that adorn the walls. These mosaics are not just decorations, they are windows into the past, depicting biblical scenes and imperial figures. They offer a glimpse into the artistic and religious beliefs of the Byzantine era. The historical significance of the Hagia Sophia is immense. It stands as a symbol of Istanbul's unique position as a bridge between East and West, a city where different cultures and religions have coexisted for centuries. As we enter, let's take a moment to appreciate the sheer scale of the main hall. Then, we'll ascend to the upper gallery to admire the stunning mosaics up close. Don't miss the mihrab, which indicates the direction of Mecca, and the minbar, the pulpit from which sermons are delivered. These Islamic elements are a testament to the Hagia Sophia's transformation into a mosque. Prepare your senses for an explosion of color and aroma as we enter the spice market, also known as the Egyptian Bazaar. This vibrant marketplace is a feast for the eyes and the nose. Imagine mountains of colorful spices, dried fruits, nuts, and Turkish delight, all vying for your attention. The air is thick with the intoxicating scents of cinnamon, saffron, and cardamom. The spice market is more than just a place to buy spices. It's a cultural experience. Watch as vendors skillfully weigh and package their goods, engaging in lively banter with customers. This is the perfect place to sample local delicacies and find unique souvenirs to take home. From fragrant teas to exotic spices, you'll find something to tantalize your taste buds and remind you of your Istanbul adventure. Let's explore the stalls overflowing with Turkish delight, a sweet and chewy confection that comes in a variety of flavors. Be sure to try the sumac, a tangy spice that adds a zesty kick to many Turkish dishes. And of course, no visit to the spice market is complete without a taste of saffron, the world's most expensive spice. Its delicate flavor and vibrant color will elevate your culinary creations. No trip to Istanbul is complete without indulging in the local cuisine. Turkish food is a delicious blend of Mediterranean, Middle Eastern, and Central Asian flavors. From savory kebabs to sweet baklava, Turkish cuisine offers something for everyone. Be sure to try the mezes, a selection of small dishes that are perfect for sharing. Explore the local restaurants and cafes, where you can savor authentic Turkish dishes and soak up the atmosphere. Don't be afraid to venture off the beaten path and discover hidden culinary gems. And of course, no meal is complete without a cup of Turkish coffee or tea. The strong, aromatic coffee is a perfect pick-me-up, while the sweet, refreshing tea is a symbol of Turkish hospitality. Near the spice market, you'll find a plethora of restaurants serving traditional Turkish fare. Alternatively, you can find charming cafes near the Hagia Sophia, offering stunning views and delicious treats. As our walking tour comes to an end, We hope you've fallen in love with Istanbul's captivating charm. From the bustling Grand Bazaar to the majestic Hagia Sophia and the aromatic spice market, this city is a feast for the senses. Istanbul is a city that will stay with you long after you've left, a place where history, culture, and cuisine come together to create an unforgettable experience. We hope you've enjoyed this virtual tour and are inspired to visit Istanbul in person. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures. And remember, happy travels! Ready to experience the magic of Istanbul for yourself? Visit travel websites to plan your trip today. Subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration and tips.